So in life, like the equipment you have and the things that you're using to try and get ahead, like in your career, in business, in anything, if you have the wrong equipment, it's going to be a struggle. So it might work, it might get you somewhere, but it's going to take you exceptionally longer, and the journey is going to be tough. For example, take this boat. This boat, if you were to try and get over rough seas, or a vast body of water, it's going to take you quite long. Firstly, because it's tiny and small, and it doesn't have a motor, right? So those kind of things to consider when you are taking a journey is really important. The type of vehicle that you're going to use is going to get you there quicker. It's going to get you there safer. It's going to get you there feeling more comfortable. That's kind of what you want. Now, the journey is to achieve great things. It's never in comfort. There's always going to be challenges. It's kind of the passage, the rite of passage of life, is that to achieve great things, it's going to be with challenges. It's going to be uncomfortable, but it doesn't mean that you have to have this kind of boat to get there. So let's look at what kind of boat would help you in achieving bigger goals for your life. Right, with this boat behind me, you can see that this is a bigger boat. This boat is not only going to be a lot more comfortable than the smaller boat, but because it's bigger, you're going to be able to bring more things with you. That means you can bring luggage with you that you wouldn't be able to bring in the smaller boat. You can even bring other people along for the journey that just wouldn't be possible in a smaller boat. Now, this one also has an engine, which means that you won't have to manually row day after day, working to just get a little bit further. And if the wind blows in the wrong direction, it's going to set you back in the small boat. Whereas this boat will just power on through as you enjoy the scenery of the environment that you're in. Now, again, this is not to advocate that things must be easy. Of course, that when you are busy working on big goals, there are going to be challenges. It's just the way of life. But that doesn't mean that every moment of your day needs to be a challenge. And so a boat like this, the right equipment, is going to help you get to where you want to be. Now, big boat or small boat, your environment matters, So if you're going to try to get anywhere, this boat is going to go nowhere, because the big boat cannot get out into the water, and that's where it needs to be to get further, to go on any journey. This is not going to be able to get somewhere, whereas the small boat will be able to navigate through the little channels here and get out into bigger open waters. So also, don't just pick the big boat because it's the big boat. Sometimes you need to take the small boat to get you to a starting point, and then maybe later on you're going to transition over into a bigger boat. Now, of course, all of these are just metaphors for what is the journey of life. If you are on any sort of journey in 2024 and you want to get to goals that you've never gotten to before, maybe what you have been using is the wrong boat, and you need to get onto the right boat. And that's why the year in review that I'm running on the 18th of Jan is going to be a vehicle. It's a small boat. It's going to get you through some of the hard to navigate channels so you can get out to the bigger boat, and that bigger boat is going to be the accountability groups that we're already starting. Now, don't worry about if it's too late for you to join. I will make sure that I catch you up so that you can be in the right place, that you can have the right boat and the right vehicles and the right group with you to help you get to the place you want to be. And that's the point of accountability groups. And if you're tired of trying a whole bunch of stuff that's never worked, come and join this accountability group, because it's not just you. You're not going to be alone. These are not online videos that are impersonal. These are high touch, high engagement groups that right now it's going to be ridiculously affordable for you to join. And so it's never going to be at this price again, and I'm not sure just I mean, if I want to keep it at that price, I might decide to change the price. But for now, it is 700 Rand for the first quarter for you to come and join this accountability groups. It's going to be amazing. The people that's already part of these groups are absolutely wonderful people that I've really enjoyed working with through the year in review in December, and now as we start the accountability groups. So come and join us. Make sure that you've got the right vehicle, that you've got the right boat, no matter what journey you're on, no matter what you're trying to achieve in life, Like if you struggle to achieve it on your own, maybe it's time for you to consider a group program of some sort. Don't just join mine, maybe find another group. But I'm here to let you know that this is the vehicle that's going to help you. Jan to March, that's the commitment we're looking at. And that's going to help you get somewhere. It's going to navigate the channels that are difficult to get through with a big boat. We're going to start with this accountability group, start with the year-end review to help you unpack just how amazing you are, the accountability groups to get you going, to get you through the channels, and then there are more programs coming throughout the year to make sure that you're successful, that 2024 is going to be a great year for you. That's what I want. 2024 is going to be a great year, so you don't have to be feeling fatigued and tired and run down and just, oh my goodness, I cannot go another day. That's what I want for you. That's what I want to take away, is that feeling. I want to help you make sure that while you are tired, you feel really good about where you are. All right. My name's Richard. Thank you for joining me here today. Thank you for listening to my story about the boats.